Oftentimes people will ask me, well, what do I do if, in fact, information is confidential and everybody wants to know information, but I can't yet communicate it? So, my kind of go to rule of thumb, which I invite you to steal, is if I can't give you content, I'll give you context. So, if you think about it, there is a container of information, and you cannot disclose what's in the container. For example, if there's going to be a merger and acquisition, or there's going to be a reorg and there's labor relations consequences, these sorts of things. So that's fine. And again, we're grown-ups, we understand that. But if I can't give you the content of the container, I can at least give you the context. Then, so what we're doing here is we're using transparency as a means of cultivating and protecting trust and respect. And that goes a long way. People do a lot better with some information, and we avoid then the black hole effect where people will make up their own minds. So again, that is a calculus of risk management. If leaders don't have the guts to have any transparency, then the invoice they're going to pay is that people will start making up their own minds. And then you are digging yourself into a hole that you're going to have to dig out of because now we've got misinformation and rumor going wild. So this is a reliable go-to strategy that's easy to embark on.